Review requests can be sent in many ways and provide you with customer insights. However, sorting through the responses can become overwhelming once you're receiving plenty of replies. So, we've improved the request page with powerful search and filtering capabilities for better request management. Let's check the changes. Added a search bar at the top of the review request page that supports result pulling for contact name, email, and phone number. Use the Sent Via selector to limit results to reviews requested specifically from WhatsApp, email, or phone. Use the Status selector to limit the shown results by selecting from queued, undelivered, failed, sent, delivered, opened, and read. This feature reduces the need for manual scrolling and pagination, giving you increased control over results and ensuring review location is fast, responses are timely, and data insights are easy to understand. The powerful search and filtering capabilities will help you address reviews swiftly, providing a smooth response management that keeps customers happy and helps you prevent issues head-on. We hope you enjoy it.